you ever organized a Teams meeting and you forgot to hit the record button? It's even more embarrassing to let everyone know that you forgot to record and start recording in the middle of a Teams meeting. Not very professional and not ideal. How about if we have a feature that solves this problem? So here it is. Microsoft released a new update in July 2021, auto record functionality for all Teams meeting. Let me show you how. So go to your Teams meeting and let me go to my calendar and pick a meeting which is already existing. So this is a recurring meeting. So I'm going to pick this one. Go to edit. I'm going to either edit this particular occurrence or the series. I'm going to show you the whole series update. So you will open the Teams meeting details. Okay. So click on meeting options. You will see in the details tab, you will see an option called meeting options. So click that. It will open in a new tab. So wait for it and come down. You will see an option called record automatically. By default, it will be no, but if you want to, start the auto record functionality automatically, click yes, change it to yes and hit save. It's done. So this Microsoft Teams release will allow the meetings to start record automatically when they are set to auto record, which I showed you now. So this will benefit users and the meeting organizer who forget to hit the record button for very crucial meetings and whichever is recurring, and you don't need to be there for every meeting, but you want to record, but you don't know whom to ask to record the meeting. So you can just set this record automatically, and even if you're not joining for that meeting, so it will make sure it's been recorded. So this is a new update. Hope this will be helpful for your office and your schools and universities. So thanks for watching. Bye.